Okay. Here comes Sophie down the rails for trails.
It's good.
It's good? You like this trail?
Yes, I do.
Okay, pay attention where you're going, honey. Good job. Can you ring your bell for Mom? Good job.
Mommy, you do this to me?
Nope, you need to ride yourself.
Why?
Why? Because you're on the rails for trails to go bike riding to get exercise. Come on, let's go. Donovan's catching up. Here comes Donovan. Here comes Donovan. Wow, look at all the people passing you, Donovan. There you go. Go catch up to your sister. Whoop. Bump.
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam. There she goes. There she goes.
There goes Donovan.
And there goes Donovan. Down the rails for trails.